Are you still manually splitting your PDF documents one by one? It's time to automate the process with Make. You just need to build an automation flow like this. Then click Run once to split your PDF documents. How to do it? First, open and log into your Make account. Click to create a new scenario and rename it. Click to choose Google Drive. Then select Download a file. Select the PDF file you want to split here. Click Next. Choose ComPDF Kit PDF Editor. Then select Split PDF Files. Start a task. At this step, you need to enter the license key to connect to ComPDF Kit PDF Editor. You can go directly to the ComPDF API dashboard page and copy the license key from the API Keys section. If you don't have a ComPDF API account yet, you can register for free. It lets you process 1,000 documents for free each month. Then go back to Make and click Save. Next, click Upload a file. Here, you need to go to the ComPDF API reference page to get the simple parameter code for splitting documents. Just copy it. Then split your document into different files based on pages. For example, if I want to split my document into 3 files, File 1, pages 1 to 3, File 2, pages 4 to 5, File 3, pages 6 to 10, my parameter settings would look like this. Once done, click Next. Start a task. Then choose Flow Control and select Repeater to repeat the next step. After that, click Next. Get file information. Set up 2 routers. One is for tools, meaning if the resulting file is not generated, it will refetch the file information. The other is for HTTP, meaning when the file is generated, it will return the file URL. Then, select Google Drive again. Choose Upload a file and select the folder path where you want to save the resulting file. Add JSON, parse JSON, and input command. Select Add Error Handler. Commit. After building everything, click Run once. When the process shows 1, go to Google Drive to check the result. You'll see that your PDF document has been split exactly as you wanted. It's that simple.